In the figure above, each of the smallest squares on the grid has length 1. So this distance right over here is length 1. What is the area of square ABCD? So we're going to be able to figure out the area if we could figure out the length of one of these sides right over here. So say the length of segment CD right over here. And it might immediately jump out at you that we can use the Pythagorean theorem to do this, because we know that this distance right over here is 1, and we know that this distance right over here, this is equal to, this entire distance is equal to 2. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out what, let's just call this x, to figure out what x is. We know that 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 squared is going to be equal to x squared. Is going to be equal to x squared. Now this is 1. This right over here is 1. This is 4. So this part is going to be equal to 5 is equal to x squared. Is equal to x squared. And actually, you could now solve for x, but you could realize that the area of this square is just going to be x squared. The area of square ABCD is just going to be x squared, and we already figured out that x squared is equal to 5. Now, you could say, well, okay, what is x? X is equal to the square root of 5, the principal root of 5. We only care about the positive square root since we're thinking about a distance. And then, well, x times x is the area. So the area, so let me write this down. The area is equal to x times x, which is the square root of 5 times the square root of 5, which is equal to 5. So you could have figured it out right at this point, or you could have solved for x and then multiplied it by itself again and then gotten back to the 5.